purchased this puzzle box from Amazon a couple weeks ago. The goal is to open the box by manipulating the keys on the end of the box. As you can see, with 10 keys, it would take a while to work through the combinations. The good news is that this box comes with a solution key. Since this box is symmetrical, the key is referenced based on the small hole they provide on one of the ends. To solve it, arrange the keys like they are shown in the picture, then lift off the top. This little animation shows how it works, since it is kind of difficult to see based on the video and some of the pictures that I've taken. If you think about it, this puzzle is more of a key box than a puzzle box. The mechanism is closely aligned with that of a deadbolt, or just a regular key. Overall, it's a pretty cool box and well made for the price. I'm pretty happy with it. I modeled a similar version in CAD and produced 3D printable files for anyone that would like to make their own. The files are free, so you can check them out in the description. The cool thing about the 3D printable version is that you can arrange the key in any order, that way your box will be unique, and nobody will be able to look up the solution online. Thank you all for watching. The files are in the description, and please subscribe to support the channel. Thanks.